Now it is time to set up Flutter on your local device. Head over to flutter.dev and click on Get Started. This will take you to the install page. Depending on the operating system you are on, it will show you the different options to select from. Since I am on a Windows, I will select Windows install, and it will show me all the steps to install Flutter on Windows. There are system requirements that you would need. Your operating system should be Windows 7 or later. And once you satisfy these requirements, you can click on Get the Flutter SDK. This should download a zip folder to your local storage. The next step to do is to extract this zip file and place it in a contained Flutter folder in the desired installation location. On my local system, I have Flutter in my local disk C in a folder called src, where I've extracted the Flutter files. Next step to do is to edit environment variables and add the Flutter path to your environment variables. Once you do that, you should have the Flutter command accessible through the console. So you can run Flutter Doctor to check if the installation is successful. You'll also need to set up an IDE. You can choose to have Android Studio as your IDE, or you can also use VS Code. I would recommend watching a dedicated tutorial on the installation process depending on the current configuration of operating system you are on. Once done, if you'll go over to your command prompt of terminal, you would be able to run the Flutter version command, something like this. It should show you the current Flutter version you are on, the version of the Dart SDK, and you can run the Flutter Doctor command to check if everything is working fine. And since no issues are found, I have successfully installed Flutter on my Windows. In the next video, we'll look at getting started with Flutter and running our first Flutter project.